Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove a person from image in Snapseed. Before we begin, make sure you have downloaded the Snapseed, the latest version of the Snapseed from Play Store. Alright, so once you have done that, what you have to do is follow the steps in the video very closely, as missing any step in the video might result in not giving the same output as you expected. Alright, so now let's begin with the video. Alright, so the first step is to go to your Play Store and search for Snapseed application. Alright, so once you have done that, just click on install. So this is our Snapseed application. What you have to do is click on install and wait for it to install. Alright, so once you have done that, what you have to do is open and click on this plus icon. Now select the image that you want to remove the person from. Alright, over here you can see on the bottom side, you can see the tools option. What you have to do is click on this tools option. So you can see there are a bunch of tools over here. So among the various tools that Snapseed has provided, what you have to do is find this specific tool called healing. Click on this healing. So this is our healing tool. Alright, so what you can do now is, here you can see you can use this brush and remove the person from your image. So as you can see here, I am removing the person from this image like this, using this method. So once you have done that, what you can do is select this brush tool over here, and you can make various adjustments. You can lighten the image, darken the image, and there are various other methods for this as well. So you can just play around with the opacity over here, select the image, and here you can see you can adjust your opacity so you can blend in the surroundings. So after you have done that, what you can do is use various other tools like this to make sure that the image looks as realistic as possible and it is harder to interpret the changes. So yeah, that is how you will be able to remove a person from your background in Snapseed. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.